Have you seen a ball of yarn like this? It's one of the softest yarns ever. I love these gloves so much, I had to call them Cupid's Twist. As you slide your fingers into the gloves, it's like sticking your hands in a warm, fluffy cloud surrounded by love. Join me, Jenny Fish, in the Cupid's Twist Gloves Knit Along, where we will pair this sweet mohair yarn with the rich colors of Madelinetosh Sock to make the softest gloves you have ever worn. Together we will knit a 2x2 rib cuff, learn how to make a 2/2 right cross cable, work the fingers and the thumbs. When you're finished, you'll have a sweet pair of gloves you can keep or gift to a loved one. No, just make a second pair to gift. You'll want to keep these. Visit onebighappy.com to pick up a kit with the yarn and pattern. Happy knitting!